Happy Friday.
Happy Friday to you too.
I am so glad this week is over.
Me too. It was a very long week.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to have a busy weekend.
What are you going to do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I will clean my apartment.
Cleaning takes up a lot of time.
Yes, I have to vacuum the floor and wash my clothes.
I usually do my chores on Sunday morning.
I like to finish them early on Saturday.
That is a very smart idea. What are your plans for Saturday?
I am going to sleep until 10 o'clock.
Wow, you really love to sleep.
Yes, I need to rest my body after working so hard.
What will you do after you wake up?
I am going to make a big breakfast.
Are you going to cook pancakes or eggs?
I will make scrambled eggs and toast.
That sounds like a delicious morning.
After breakfast, I am going to the supermarket.
Are you going to buy food for the whole week?
Yes, I need to buy vegetables, fruit, and chicken.
The supermarket is always very crowded on Saturdays.
I know, but I have no food in my fridge.
I will go to the farmer's market on Saturday afternoon.
Do you like buying fresh vegetables there? Yes, the tomatoes and apples are very sweet.
And they are usually cheaper than the supermarket.
Exactly. I will buy some fresh flowers too.
What are you doing on Saturday night?
I am going to watch a movie with my friends.
Are you going to the cinema?
No, we are going to watch it at my house.
That is much more comfortable.
Yes, and we can eat homemade popcorn.
What kind of movie are you going to watch?
We are going to watch a funny comedy.
Comedies are perfect for a Saturday night.
Do you have any plans for Saturday evening?
I am going to a restaurant with my family.
Oh, that sounds very nice.
It is my mother's birthday on Saturday.
Happy birthday to your mother.
Thank you. We are going to an Italian restaurant.
Are you going to eat pizza or pasta?
I think I will order a large pizza.
My favorite Italian food is spaghetti.
My mother loves eating seafood pasta.
Will you buy her a birthday cake?
Yes, I ordered a chocolate cake for her.
Chocolate cake is always the best choice.
We are going to sing Happy Birthday very loudly.
I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you. What about Sunday? What are your plans?
On Sunday, I am going to relax in the park.
Is the weather going to be nice on Sunday?
The forecast says it will be sunny and warm.
That is perfect weather for a walk.
I'm going to bring a book and read under a tree.
That sounds so peaceful and quiet.
Will you go to the park too?
No, I am going to stay inside on Sunday.
Why are you staying inside?
I have a lot of work to do for next week.
You're going to work on the weekend?
Just for a few hours in the afternoon.
You should try to take a break.
I know, but this project is very important.
I understand. Work is work.
What will you do on Sunday evening?
I am going to cook dinner for myself.
What are you going to cook?
I will probably make a chicken salad.
A light dinner is good before going to sleep.
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
I am going to order Chinese food on Sunday night.
You don't want to cook after working?
Exactly. I will be too tired to cook.
Ordering food is very convenient.
I love eating noodles and fried rice.
Me too. Chinese food is very tasty.
Do you have to wash your clothes this weekend?
Yes, I told you I will wash them on Saturday morning.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
I have to wash all my shirts for next week.
I have to do my laundry on Sunday.
Do you have a washing machine in your apartment?
No, I have to go to the laundromat.
That must take a lot of time.
It takes about 2 hours to wash and dry everything.
What do you usually do while you wait for your clothes?
I usually read a magazine or listen to music.
That is a good way to pass the time.
Sometimes I talk to the other people there.
You are very friendly.
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Are you going to visit your grandparents this weekend?
Not this weekend. They live too far away.
When will you visit them next?
I am going to visit them next month.
My grandparents are coming to my house on Sunday.
That is very exciting.
Yes, they want to see my new apartment.
Are you going to make lunch for them?
No, we are going out for a nice lunch.
Grandparents always love spending time with their grandchildren.
Yes, I love listening to their old stories.
Do they tell stories about when they were young?
Yes, they talk about their school days.
Things were very different back then.
I agree. Life was much simpler.
I hope they like your new apartment.
I think they will. I decorated it very nicely.
I'm sure it looks beautiful.
Do you like playing sports on the weekend?
Sometimes I play tennis on Saturday mornings.
Are you a good tennis player?
I'm okay, but I need more practice.
I can teach you some basic rules.
Really? That would be very helpful.
We can play together next weekend.
Let's do that. I will buy a tennis racket.
You can borrow my extra racket first.
Thank you. You are a good friend.
I play tennis for fun, not to win.
That is the best way to play sports. I also want to go swimming this summer.
The swimming pool is very refreshing on a hot day.
Are you going to travel anywhere this summer?
I am planning to go to the beach in August.
A beach vacation sounds absolutely perfect.
I just want to lay on the sand and do nothing.
That is the true meaning of vacation.
But right now, we just have a normal weekend.
2 days is still enough time to rest.
Yes, 48 hours of freedom.
We must enjoy every single minute of it.
I'm going to turn off my work phone on Friday night.
That is a great idea. No emails until Monday.
Exactly. The weekend is my personal time.
I should turn off my phone too.
You will feel much more relaxed.
I will try my best.
Well, we still have a few hours of work left.
I know, the clock is moving very slowly today.
Friday afternoons are always the longest.
But the weekend is almost here.
Yes, I can almost smell the freedom.
What time are you leaving the office today?
I'm going to leave at exactly 5 o'clock.
I have to stay until 5:30.
I will wave goodbye to you when I leave.
Please do not make me jealous.
I will try to be quiet.
Have a great time with your friends on Saturday.
Thank you. Enjoy the birthday dinner with your mother.
I will eat a lot of chocolate cake for you.
And I will eat a lot of popcorn for you.
Deal. Have a fantastic weekend.
You have a fantastic weekend too.
See you on Monday morning.
See you on Monday. Bye.